Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next chapter number 5, Plant Anatomy, Introduction and Importance. So first we see introduction and definition. Plant anatomy is of great importance. Without knowledge of plant anatomy, the physiological processes carried out within the plant and the phylogenetic relationship between the various plants group cannot be fully understood. The detailed studies of elements and tissues in the plants help in better understanding of functions of tissues and adaptation of plants to different environmental conditions. Plant anatomy takes into consideration the form, variability and structure of the tissues comprising the plant body. Such studies establish amazing correlation of structure and function. Plant anatomy takes into consideration following aspects: the cell structure and its components, the cell wall and cell division, the tissue and tissue system, the primary and secondary structure of plant parts like root, stem, leaf, flower, fruits, seeds, etc., ecological aspects, and importance and applications of plant anatomy in taxonomy, physiology, phylogenetic studies, ecological interpretation, pharmacognosy, and wood identification. So after introduction we must see definition. Plant anatomy or internal morphology may be defined as the study of gross internal structure of plant organs by the technique of section cutting. The study of cells, tissues, however, with the help of microscope is called plant anatomy or histology. The next point we must see that importance of plant anatomy. The anatomical understanding of plant has great scope in understanding plant life and variety of plant species. Internal functional setup of plants, to understand the evolutionary history of plants, to understand plant adaptations to varied environmental conditions, to understand microscopic characters of plant drugs, and in identification of wood. So in importance of plant anatomy we must see first point, importance of plant anatomy in plant taxonomy, with various points such as epidermal outgrowth, stomatal morphology, epidermal mineral crystals, vascular bundles, xylem and phloem. With all these points we can study the importance of plant anatomy in plant taxonomy. So here, plant taxonomy is the science of identification, classification, nomenclature and description of plants in botanical terms. The plants are classified according to their characteristics and interrelationships. Following anatomical characters are of taxonomic importance. First character, epidermal outgrowth. So see here, epidermal outgrowth of all kinds are of great taxonomic significance for identification of plant species. Example, different species of cassia are identified on the basis of glands. Then second character, that is stomatal morphology. The stomatal morphology has a great significance in taxonomic on the basis of position of subsidiary cells and guard cells in stomata. They may be rubiaceous type, ranunculus type, caryophyllaceous type, cruciferous type, gramineous type. This helps in plant identification. The third character, that is epidermal mineral crystals, are noted in crucifery, while cystolith in the family Acanthaceae and Utricaceae, while milky latex with dumbbell-shaped starch grains in Euphorbia of family Euphorbiaceae. Next character, vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are scattered in monocots while they are arranged in ring in dicots. Bicollateral bundles are found in the family Cucurbitaceae. Then next character, xylem. Xylem contains vessels in angiosperms while vessels are absent in gymnosperms except order Nettles. Then phloem. Phloem contains companion cells in angiosperm while they are absent in gymnosperms. Thus, anatomical characters are shown, some significant in identification of plants. Then next point, that is importance of plant anatomy in physiology. So here, plant physiology is concerned with the study of fetal activities of plants. It is a science of understanding structure and functions of plants. It is concerned with study of important physiological activities like photosynthesis, respiration, absorption, transpiration, growth, transportation of materials through xylem and phloem. To understand these functions, anatomical studies has significance as below. First significance, plant physiology takes into consideration study of physical processes like diffusion, osmosis, imbibition, example, etc. To understand these processes, anatomy of plant cells and tissues is highly essential. Next significance, that apical meristem performs functions like division and growth. During these steps, sequential events takes place in plants, where anatomy understands structural modifications in plant. This also gives a better idea of functions of cells, tissue systems organized, that how they are interconnected. The next significance, that the conduction of water and minerals takes place through xylem. To understand these functional structural elements in xylem is highly essential. Next significance, that is phloem is concerned with the translocation of organic food. To understand these functions in better way, the structural elements of phloem should be taken. Then next significance, that plant growth is continuous, irreversible changes in the plant structure and functions. During this process, several internal modifications are taking place at cellular and tissue level, which need knowledge of plant anatomy. Next, plant leaf anatomy has significance in understanding of phenomenon of photosynthesis, different metabolic cycles of photosynthesis. And last significance, that is transpiration is a loss of water through plant surface in the form of vapors. In these respects, the knowledge of structure of stomata, lenticels, cuticular, floral anatomy is essential. This indicates that plant physiology and anatomy are closely related. The knowledge of plant anatomy gives proper insight to understand structure and function of various interpretations, which is a basic of plant physiology. Then next topic, that is importance of plant anatomy in ecological interpretation. Ecology means oikos. Oikos means house, logos means science, that deals with the study of interrelationship of environment, plants and their communities, or the study of life in relation to the environment. Ecological studies are concerned with the study of different aspects of environment in relation to the plants, example soil erosion, conservation, environmental pollution, plant adaptation in relation to with their surroundings, interrelationship of plants with their groups of organisms, role of water and gaseous components in life, etc. Plant anatomy helps in ecological interpretation as mentioned below. First point, that is plant adaptations. Plants adjust with their environment and accordingly several anatomical changes takes place in plant body. Plants are also classified on the basis of ecological interpretation. That is, plants are classified as hydrophytes, that is living in water, having thin cuticle, thin epidermis, root system poorly developed, air chambers in the cortex, etc. Mesophytes, that is terrestrial plants with extensive root system and well developed tissues and tissue xylems. Then xerophytes, that is living in scarcity of water, having extensive root system, deep into the soil, roots are woody and hard and well efficient vascular tissue system. Then epiphytes, having clinging roots, absorption roots and the hanging roots. Then parasites, roots pastoral penetrates host tissues. Then halophytes, growing in abundance of salt marshlands near the sea and viviparous seed germination. In this way, plant anatomy helps in ecological interpretation, understanding adaptations, morphological differentiation according to the environment in different plant groups.